In our next problem, we are given that if a normal to the parabola at point P, which is 18, 12, cuts it again at Q, then we need to find the length of PQ. Our parabola is given to be equal to y square is equal to 8x. Starting by drawing the figure, let's say this is the P, 18, 12, and the normal at the point P, cutting it again at Q. We need to find the length of PQ. So what we can do is, we know that the slope of tangent for parabola y square is equal to 4ax. The slope of tangent can be found out by differentiating this equation. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a, hence slope of tangent is equal to 2a by y1, and hence the slope of normal becomes minus y1 upon 2a, and hence the equation of normal can be written as y minus y1 is equal to minus y1 by 2a into x minus x1. Here we know that x1 comma y1 is the point P, which is 18, 12, and we have 4a is equal to 8, hence a is equal to 2. On putting the values of x1, y1 and a in this equation, we get the equation of normal as y is equal to minus 3x plus 16. Now what we can do is, we can solve this equation of normal with the parabola to get the 2 points. We have the parabola y square is equal to 8x. So we can write this as y square is equal to 8 times y minus 16 by minus 3. We have substituted the value of x from this equation over here. So this becomes minus 3y square is equal to 8y minus 128, or 3y square plus 8y minus 128 is equal to 0. Hence we have found out the value of y as 12 and minus 44 by 3. On solving for x by putting the value of y in this equation, we get x as 18 and 242 by 9. Very clearly the point 18, 12 is the point P at which the normal has been made. So the other 2 points, that is 242, 9, minus 44, 3 are the coordinates of the point Q, and hence our Q is 242 upon 9, minus 44 upon 3. We can also solve this question by another method. This is a parabola, this is a normal P and Q. We can assume P to be equal to 8t1 square, 2at1, which is a general point on any parabola y square is equal to 4ax, and similarly we can assume the point Q to be 8t2 square, 2a-t2. Now we know that slope of tangent is equal to 2a by y1, which becomes 2a upon 2a-t1, or slope of tangent is equal to 1 upon t1. So the slope of line PQ becomes minus t1, since PQ is the normal also. Also PQ is also acting as the chord for this parabola, and hence we have the 2 points, and we can get the slope of PQ by 2-point formula, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This becomes 2a times t2 minus t1 upon a times t2 square minus t1 square, which is t2 minus t1 into t2 plus t1. So the slope of line PQ also becomes 2 upon t2 plus t1. So the slope of line PQ we found out in 2 different ways. First, PQ is acting as the normal for the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So we found out that the slope for the tangent by differentiating the equation. Then the slope of the normal will be the negative reciprocal for the tangent. Hence we found out the slope of PQ as minus t1 by the slope method for the normal. And then since PQ is satisfied by the points P and Q, hence we found out the slope of PQ by 2-point formula as 2 upon T1 plus T2. Hence we can equate both the slopes to get minus T1 is equal to 2 upon T1 plus T2, since these are the slopes of the same line. So T1 plus T2 becomes minus 2 upon T1. Hence T2 becomes minus T1 minus 2 upon T1. Here we have y square is equal to 4ax, that is a is equal to 2. Hence our point P can be written as 2t1 square comma 4t1, which is equal to 18 comma 12. Very clearly, on comparing both the 2t1 square comma 4t1 by 18 comma 12, we get t1 is equal to 3. Hence t2 can be found out as minus 3 minus 2 upon 3, which is minus 11 upon 3, and hence the point Q can be found out by 2t2 square comma 4t2. The value of t2 can be substituted over here and here to get the coordinates of Q as 242 comma 9 by 9 comma minus 44 by 3. These are two different methods for solving this problem. Any method can be beneficial for you according to your convenience. The final answer is 242 by 9 comma minus 44 by 3.